Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into a fun air journey with mini twists that had me both excited and a little bit nervous. So I decided to try out something different, something new, stepping out of my comfort zone for this mini twist. I went ahead to prep and section my hair off camera to save us some time, and trust me, it was worth it. For this mini twist, I'll be using the expression Kinky twist in color 27. Now, I have to admit, I was super skeptical about this color. I wanted to go for my exact hair color or a darker shade of brown, but I couldn't get that, so it was more of like I didn't have any choice but to go for this shade, for this honey blonde color Kinky, and I'm glad I did. So guys, I wanted to literally experiment with my back hair, and this is what it was looking like. Guys, you guys didn't tell me buzz braid is way different from knotless braid because it was extremely not easy. As you can see, I was so glad that I could pull it off because it was so hard, so difficult to figure out on how to do the buzz braids, on how to do the twist to make sure it is of same length, to make sure like there was a lot going on at this point because I needed to figure out the buzz braids, how to do the twist, and like what length I would want to go for. And guys, I was able to figure out before I got to the front. I was glad I was able to figure this out. But guys, it wasn't easy. You guys didn't tell me it was not easy. Like, it was not easy, but I'm glad I could pull it off. I'm glad I could figure it out. So this is me twisting. It is so super easy. If you can be able to braid your hair from the beginning with the Kinky, all you have to do is just then twist from the beginning to the end, and you are definitely good to go. So guys, I went ahead and cut the 60 inches Kinky into two, giving me this gorgeous medium length that's just perfect for this style. As you can see, I was so glad, I was super excited because all I wanted to do was just trust the process, because at the point I wasn't feeling it, like it wasn't giving the vibe because I was still trying to figure things out. But I'm glad I actually trusted the process, and this is me just taking my time to twist. It is a very simple hairstyle. I think it took me about 4 to 5 hours. That's aside prepping my hair in advance. Aside prepping my hair in advance, it took me about 5 hours plus, if I'm not mistaken. But one thing I love about this hairstyle is the fact that once you are done twisting your entire hair, you are done. Like, you are done. Unlike the normal knotless braids that I've been doing, you have to now then, maybe for instance, if I want to queer, you have to trim, there's a lot of work that goes with knotless braids. But this mini twist is everything. It is simple, it is easy. Once you are able to prep your hair, you are good to go. You can literally just do this at night and you are good to go. You just have to dedicate your time and you are good to go. So guys, what I did to get a very long length at the front after cutting the 60 inches into two, well, as you can see, I had to stretch out one longer than the other while crisscrossing before braiding my hair. So that's literally what I did to achieve this length at the front. At the back, it was just at the same length, so I had to take my time because yeah, this is actually different and we need to make it neat, we need to make it look good. But guys, honestly, it is one simple hairstyle to do. It is one simple hairstyle I would advise anybody to do. It's a protective hairstyle and it is easy to make, it is easy to style, it is versatile. That's just one thing, and I love this color. I actually love how it turned out, guys, and voila, this is what it is looking like. So guys, this is the final look. This is what this mini twist is looking like. Guys, I love the pop, I love the color, I love the mini twist, I love everything about this hair. What do you think, guys? It is very demure, it is very mindful, it is very elegant. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.